Hi, this is Logan with oneshark, and today we're going to check in with our game Twist of Destiny and show you how we've been building the day and night system. And this game's built in Unity, and the way we've been building it is to have a cycling sun and moon, and they move in an elliptical pattern. And then we also have a background which is going to be fading in and out for night and day. And then we have an in-game timer. And that timer is something that's going to affect events in the game. It's going to affect player stats and things like this. So if you have a player who's stronger at night, werewolves, vampires, all sorts of things, we got a lot of ideas for it. So I'll just quickly describe what we did. I'll start with the sun and the moon. They move in an elliptical pattern, and it's a simple animation that was created. But what we do is we start it and sync it up with our actual timer. So it ends at the same time and it restarts at the same time, and it never falls out of sync. So right at the time that these make their full revolution, we'll be on the next day cycle with our time manager there. So that worked out pretty nice. We had to do some trial and error to get something that worked really well. And what we actually did, we made the sun and moon stop just a split second sooner than the next day started. That way we'd always be able to start it right on time. The other thing you'll see here is the raindrops and the rain and the thunder. Those are all playing right now. We don't have them set up, but that's going to be a weather system, so there'll be random times when a storm will roll through or different things will happen, or some maps will really thrive on having a storm all the time, so that'll be their field. So we'll be able to turn that on and off. And then the other thing is this background. Based on what time of day it is, we can get the percentage, and it's fading in the night sky. So watch this sprite here. That's the night, that's the day. And it's fading this based on the time. So we have built this class which will set the light value, which will set the sun and moon cycle. It sets basically everything you see. And it's all based off of that single timer. One thing that I didn't describe also, we affect the ambient lighting based on this, so you might be able to watch it. Every 30 seconds it starts. We did run into performance issues right away, because right away I just wanted to see, well, what can we pull off? Can we make it set the correct lighting every second? And we tried that, and the answer is a definite no. That was just messy. The frames per second and the profiler were just kind of going crazy. So every 30 seconds we find our new value for what the light should be, and then you'll see this moving, and it lerps the float to the next value. So every 30 seconds we fade the lights a little more, but it's so gradual that the player never is going to be able to tell very well. So it's going to seem smooth to them, and it won't affect performance. So yeah, that's all we want to show at this time, because we have another video planned where we're going to show some cool stuff, and we don't want to give any of it away before it's quite ready. So Twist of Destiny is going awesome, and we look forward to checking in with you guys next time. Remember to like and subscribe and follow along. If you remember our last game, Chicken Assassin, we did this video process from start all the way to the finish, and it was about 6 months, and you can go back and see the progression of the whole game. So it's kind of fun to watch that sort of thing, especially if you're a developer yourself. I mean, I go out and watch tons of other people's games as they're developing them, and kind of get hooked on it and see where they make mistakes that I know about, or they overcome things I don't know about. So we're hoping you can get a lot out of this and enjoy watching. And if you have any comments or things like that we could improve the way we've developed this, let us know. So all right, have a good one, guys.